If you keep typing the same prompts into Gemini over and over, Google just fixed that. Chrome now has something called skills. They're saved prompts you can run on any webpage with one click. Let me show you how they work. A skill is just a saved Gemini prompt with a name and an emoji. Instead of typing the same thing every time, you save it once and reuse it. Type a / in the Gemini chat box and your saved skills pop up. Pick one and it runs automatically on whatever page you're looking at. To use a skill, open Gemini in Chrome by clicking Ask Gemini in the top right. Type / in the prompt box. Your skills list appear, tap one, and it runs on the current page. You can also run it across multiple tabs by clicking the plus button. Google has built a whole library of pre-made skills you can browse. Go to Chrome Skills Browse in the address bar. There are categories like learning, research, shopping, and writing. Some of the top picks are Protein Max, Meal Planner, and Gift Concierge. Just tap Add on any you want. You can also create your own. Write a prompt in Gemini as normal. At the end of the chat, Gemini will suggest saving it as a skill. Give it a name and an emoji, and it's saved to your account. It syncs across all your Chrome devices, so you can use it anywhere. What would you save as a skill? Let me know in the comments.